Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyambak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Dak jingshim khia jong ulat ke jela Meghalaya UCH Vijaya Shankar ke Neepco Shillong kan Beijing Arab ban Pynbiang ya ke Jingbam Teimet nak bentagi arspa san phongot ke Nongpang TV hakani ke jela Meghalaya ki barang dan minta hapeding ke jingsha sumar hak beidai bat kini lay soy sekolah hapeding ke Pradhan Menteri TV Muk Bharat Abhiyan ke Raj Bhavan Meghalaya bat ke North Eastern Electric Power Corporation Limited hak jialang ke belalong Raj Bhavan hak hendrutri Nongpang arja absan.
Books and pen and all. Palak here, please. Please, yes, you come, please come. No. Yeah. You have to come here and take a photo. We can show from there only. We are come in the background. We'll come in the background. We are going to witness. Yes. आप खड़े होकर नहीं और एक सिग्नेचर दोनों की तरफ से एक एक साइन दोनों साइन कर लीजिए देन खड़े होकर एक एक्सचेंज Now you can exchange it. Now you can exchange yourself.
Exchange yourself.
Yes. Very fine.
You can shake hands on
Yes.
Thank you.
Fine.
Look to the camera.
Look to them.
As I feel here, after I come here. If at all you are able to get pure air anywhere in any part of the country, first place goes to Northeast. Pure air. And in case of pure water, if at all you are able to get anywhere in any part of the country, in that way also first place goes to Northeast.
Okay.
Whereas in case of some other part like Delhi and Bombay, Calcutta and Chennai and Bangalore, they gone west because of pollution, because of many other reasons. But here people used to get pure air and pure water. And enough oxygen you are able to get here. Enough oxygen. And 90% of the organic food we are going to have here, organic food. Chemical fertilizers, only 5% they are going to use here. So such being the circumstances, no smoke, no dust allergy, no pollution, and you are able to get organic food here, you are able to get pure water and pure air here. So such being the case, you are able to, we find some of the TB cases in Meghalaya. There must be a basic reason behind it. That we have to find out and educate the people. This is what we suffer out of cancer, we suffer out of TB. A day for study, we are in Hyderabad. Myself and Madhav Dattatrayaji and Venkanayaji and our Lieutenant Governor Jammu and Kashmir. We are all together. At that time just we were discussing like this only. Many of the tallest personalities like Mr. Anand Kumar, Sushma Swaraj and Arun Jaitley and our Goa Chief Minister and many of the other senior most personalities only because of cancer. At the age of 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, below 60, they passed away. We lost them. Such tallest personalities. Only because of cancer. So cancer, there is a specific reason. I myself, I can assess, I can tell. But whereas in case of TB, that too particularly made why they suffer out of TB. And second reason, how they can overcome, how we should treat them. There are two issues. Who suffer already, we have to treat them, they have to overcome with the disease. And another issue, why they suffer out of TB. So in case of smoke or this alcohol, if at all it is from the branded company, there will be no problem. If at all it is local, if at all they consume it, then also there is a possibility. Correct. Why people used to suffer out of TB in Meghalaya? That survey you people have to conduct. That basic reason should be known to the department. this basic reason, if at all any disease comes, I suffer out of L4, L5. Dr. Richard used to take me there and doctor is taking care of me. I know why I suffer out of L4, L5. I know the reason. I facing this problem and I know the reason. If at all patient is not aware, at least department should be aware. Medical practitioner should be aware. He must be in a position to say, Meghalaya suffer out of TB only because of these reasons, basic reasons. Until unless you overcome with those issues and educate the people in that way, it is going to continue. Treating is one part, doctor. Treating is one part. Another part, we should know the reason behind it.
So medical treatment.
Yes.
We've been in state of Meghalaya since 1976, and today it's my proud privilege to be hosted by the Honorable Governor and also the Principal Secretary of the Governor, Dr. B.D. Tiwari, for a very noble cause. It's my honor actually and a privilege to be part of this momentous occasion. And we have just signed a memorandum of agreement with Raj Bhavan across 5 districts of Meghalaya. This initiative is part of the Pradhan Mantri TB Mukt Bharat Abhiyan, as you're aware. It's a nationwide mission to bring people from all background and escalate the progress towards elimination of TB. As the Honorable Governor was saying, it's a major concern that why this proliferation of TB is taking place in the state of Meghalaya. So here we are together joining hands. One is to address the problem of people suffering from TB, as also, as the Honorable Governor pointed out today, that we also need to constitute an expert committee on finding out the root causes so that we could tackle this problem at the root level. At Neepco, we believe that the fight against tuberculosis is not just about medical treatment, it's about a multifaceted approach. While treatment is essential, I believe, and what the doctors, and here Dr. Moami is also with me, she was telling me the other day that nutrition plays a very vital role in the patient's recovery. By supporting these 250 patients through our corporate social responsibility initiatives, we aim to provide them with the strength they need to overcome this disease and rebuild their lives. A word about Neepco, and we are part of the larger NTPC group, which is the biggest power generating company of Government of India. And this initiative about empowering the locals, addressing the local causes, has been driven by our Chairman and Managing Director, Shri Gurdeep Singh, who has given us a free hand in addressing all the local issues where it has a great social impact. The partnership that we are forging today with the Raj Bhavan in Meghalaya is a prime example of how government, corporate entities, civil society can work in hand. And this brings a word to my mind that this is truly a whole of government approach. And this hopefully should bring in a meaningful change. This collaboration today reinforces our shared commitment to the National TB Elimination Program, ensuring that no one battling TB is left behind. See, I'm a soldier, so I've learned this from the battlefield, that we don't leave our dead and wounded behind. So why should we leave our TB patients behind? They're also part of the same society. They're also Indians like us. And I would like to express my deepest gratitude to the Honorable Governor of Meghalaya, Dr. B.D. Tiwari in particular, for making this thing happen. The Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, the government departments, the medical departments.
Kapor kala day, bapinjit yaki MDC jongpi Shaka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, but ka Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council. Ayu kinle lada ki job, ka ay katong, ka bagidon, ki ay kiman, ki bakongsan, ki bagibu akman. Kita kide ki jingkeli, ki bafidon kamman yo ya ka jubab, haswa, bapin lek ban tap ya ka vote jongpi haka arpuway tarik Nongpang arajar arpsa. Baik ya ka program, markman, pat ki kertong.